Welcome to the Genius ERP University Management System. Visit www.geniuserp.com and log in with your provided username and password. As you enter your username and password and click on the Sign In button, you will come to this page. Today, we will see the exam management module in detail. Now come to the manual examination section. Under the exam group section. Before creating the exam group, first, go to the data management module. Under the module section, come to the assigned module to batch. Click on the Add Assign Modules button. Here, you have to select Periodic Semester, Shift, Program, Thematic Semester, Batch, Modules. Enter the max weekly classes. Exam required, yes or no. Elective modules, yes or no. Module examination components. If you have to add more modules, then click on the Add New button. Fill in all the details. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the assigned module to student. Click on Add Assigned Module to Student. Here, you have to select Periodic Semester, Shift, Program, Thematic Semester, Batch, Modules, Student. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the exam group section. To create the new exam group, click on the Add Exam Group button. Here, you have to select Periodic Semester, Shift, Program, Thematic Semester, Batch. If you want to add multiple batches, then click on the plus button. Enter the exam group name. Enter the exam name. Enter the maximum marks. Enter the minimum marks. Select the grade type. Select the exam type. Then click on the Submit button. Under the exam schedule section. Here, you can see the exam schedule list. By clicking the Import Exam Schedule button, you can easily add an exam schedule by uploading an Excel sheet. Here, you have to select the exam schedule. Click here to download the exam schedule import file format. Click on the box if you have to publish the exam schedule. Select exam type. Select the Import Exam Schedule file. Firstly, click on the Verify button to verify the sheet details, and then click on the Submit button. To add a new exam schedule, click on the Add Exam Schedule button. Here, you have to select the exam group. Click on the box if you have to publish the exam schedule. Here, you have to select Invigilators for the modules. Here, you have to select the exam venue master for the modules. Here, you have to select the exam type for the modules. Select the start date of the exam for the modules. Select the end date of the exam for the modules. Similarly, you have to select the mandatory details for all the modules. Then click on the Submit button. The exam schedule will be added to the list. Under the Set Grading Level Multiple section. Here you can manage or add multiple grading levels. To add the new grading level, click on the New Add button. Here you enter the grading title, name, max score, min score, credit point, description, grade descriptor, position. If you have to add multiple grading levels, click on Add New button. Here you can add multiple grading levels according to your institute's need. Then click on the Submit button. And the grading level can be added. Under the Exam Weightages section. Here, you can see the exam weightages listing. To add the new exam weightages, click on the Add Exam Weightages button. Here, you have to select the Periodic Semester, Exam Group, Modules. Here, you have to enter the Classwork marks. Let's write here 10. Midterm marks. Let's write here 10. Class test marks. Let's write here 20. After entering all the marks, click on the Save button. And the exam weightages listing is uploaded here. Under Exam Venue Master section. Here you can see the Exam Venue Master list. Here you can see the quick search icon, where you can quickly search the particular Exam Venue Master list as per your need by entering the venue title or the venue address here. Let's write the venue title here, then click on the search button. To add a new Exam Venue Master, click on the Add Exam Venue Master button. Here you have to enter venue title, venue address, venue number. Then click on the Submit button. Under Exam Result Marking section. Here you can get the exam result marking listing. Under Overall Result, you can see the overall result marks. Under Final Exam Result, you can see the final marks result list. Under Internals and Mid-Assessments, you can see internals and mid-assessments marks. From here, you can search for the particular exam result by selecting the exam group and program. To add the new exam result, click on the Exam Result Marking button. Notes: before add exam result marking, you need to check modules assigned to batch and modules assigned to student. If not assigned, please assign first, then add exam result marking. Here you have to select the exam group. Select the grading set. Let's select the default grades. Note: in the Institution Management module, under Institution Settings, go to Exam Settings. Here, you have already set all default grades. Here, you have to enter all the obtained marks in all the modules one by one, and also add the supplementary marks if any student fails in any module. Click on the box if you have to publish the exam result. Also, click on the Supplementary Publish box if you have to publish the supplementary marks in the exam result. After entering all the marks, click on the Submit button. Select the grading type. Let's select GPA. To add GPA scores, click on the Add GPA Scores button. Notes: before add GPA score, you need to check modules assigned to batch and modules assigned to student. If not assigned, please assign first, then add GPA score. Here, you have to select the exam group. Select the modules. Here enter all classwork marks, midterm marks, class test marks. Here you have to write all the module teacher comments. After entering all the marks, click on the Submit button. Under Update Exam Result Marking Listing. Here you see the Update Exam Result Marking Listing. From here, you can search the exam results, which you have to update with the marks. Just selecting Exam Group, Program, Batch, Student. Then click on the Search button. Or you can reset the exam result marking list. To update the exam result marking, click on the Edit button. Here, you make the changes as per your need, then click on the Update button and the exam result will be updated. Under the Program Designation. Here you can manage program designation. From here you can search program designation. Let's select the Periodic Semester Program. Here you can see list of program designation. You can also reset the program designation from here. To add the new program designation, click on the Add button. Here you have to select the Periodic Semester Shift Program. Enter the ranking title. Enter the CGPA. If you have to add more program designation, click on Add New button. Add according to your requirement. Click on the Submit button. And the program designation add. Under the Provisional Result Slip section. From here, you can get the provisional result slip of an individual student, even for a different academic year. Here enter the student ID or mobile number. Let's write here the student ID 231. Then click on the Search button. Here you can see the provisional result slip. If the admin needs a provisional result slip for multiple academic years, they will have to select the multiple academic years from here. Select the periodic semester. Select the shift. Select the program. Select thematic semester. Select the batch. Select the student. Select the exam group, Then click on the search button. Here you can see the provisional result slip. You can also reset the provisional result slip from here. If you want a printout copy of the provisional result slip, then click on the print button. Under Reports Center section, you will get multiple type of reports such as module-wise report, student performance report, student overall report. Under module-wise report section, here you have to select periodic semester. Select the shift. Select the program. Select the thematic semester. Select the batch. Select the exam group. Select the modules. Then click on the search button. Here you can see the module-wise report. Under Student Performance Report Exam-wise section, here you have to select periodic semester. Select the program. Select the thematic semester. Select the batch. Select the exam group. Select the student. Then click on the search button. Here you can see the module-wise report. Under Student Overall Report section, here you have to select periodic semester. Select the shift. Select the program. Select the batch. Select the student. Select the exam group. Then click on the search button. Here you can see the student overall report. If you want a printout copy of the provisional result slip, then click on the print button. Thank you for watching the video.